My name is Chris with Headlight Revolution, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the headlights you actually wanted in your truck that didn't come with them. Now, if you're watching this, you probably got the reflector headlights in your truck right now, and you're saying, man, I wish I would have got the Sport or the Laramie or the Bighorn or whatever that came with the sweet projector headlights, but you didn't want to spend the extra 3 to 10 grand. I get it, I'm with you. And that's why we're here today. In front of me here, I've got a sweet harness that we sell on www.headlightrevolution.com. It plugs into a projector headlight right on the back, and these two plugs go to your original plugs for your reflector headlight. It's really sweet, it's really slick. I'm going to show you guys how they plug in right now. On the back of this headlight, this is a reflector headlight. You've got this plug right here. You've got the original projector plug on the bottom, clicks right in. This little box here controls your turn signals, and it just plugs into your original turn signal wiring. This plugs into your headlight. Now, why would you do something like this? One, style. These headlights look a lot cooler on your truck, especially if you've got kind of a sporty look as it is, and those Rams are awfully sporty trucks. If you've got a 09 to 18 Ram with the reflector headlights, this is an easy style upgrade that looks really cool, completely changes your truck. Now, how about function? You get a tremendous headlight brightness upgrade running the projector headlight. I think it's like 500% over stock here. Tremendous. You also get the nice projector cutoff line, so you're not blinding oncoming traffic. That's another huge upside. With these, if you put any kind of other bulb in there, LED or HID, you do get a little bit of glare up in other drivers' vision. And if you don't like to be flashed every time you drive, the projector is what you want to do. Now, prior to this harness being released, you had to hack up your wiring. It was disgusting. You don't want to do that. With this sweet harness here, it's plug and play. Anybody can do it. It takes 30 minutes, if that. It takes longer to take the truck apart than it does to get this guy plugged in. And the best part is it just works. Now, if you're looking for anything else for your Dodge Ram truck, anything else, we've got reverse lights, cargo lights, aftermarket fog lights. We've got everything that you could possibly think of to put on these cool trucks. Visit our website at www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.